Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60S, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!